I'm Don Hammond, California's criminal defense hero. Today I'm going to talk about actual innocence record sealing. Penal Code Section 851.8 allows somebody to have their record of arrest sealed when they can show that they're actually innocent of the crime for which they were arrested. The burden of proof in these cases is on the defendant, so it's a little bit of a higher standard than other types of sealing, which I've talked about in other videos. But under 851.8, we can apply to the police department first to ask them to go ahead and seal their records. And if they don't comply, then we go ahead and file a petition with the court to get the records sealed. That means that legally you can say you've never been arrested, and that really helps out with a variety of different types of job and charitable organization applications. Thank you for listening. Give us a call if we can help. 323-529-3660.